Hello everyone, welcome ulit sa Tower PH TV. So we got another haul and quick unboxing lang to guys. So kung ito, let's check it out after this intro.
Let's get started.
So yun guys, sabay-sabay nating i-check ang laman nitong ating online haul galing sa Shopee. And this is something na medyo napansin ko kailangan na natin guys. As we age, medyo sensitive na yung ating eyes, or in short, medyo lumalabo na. And as you know, we do a lot of building stuffs like yung mga Gundam, Gunpla, and just recently yung ating mga blowpiece. So napapansin natin, or actually napapansin ko guys, that I really need more lighting kasi yung lighting dito sa room is actually not enough. That's why bumili tayo ng ganito. So kasi na medyo tagal ang ating pag-unwrap, but here it is guys. Dali muna natin yung motor. So it's a headlight. Something that you put on your head. It's 1200 lumen, 3000 milliampere hour lithium, and it's telescopic, no, so you can make adjustments. So strong light headlamp, T248 from Sinsight. Actually in-add to cart lang natin to. So pre-lighting without starlight flash, multiple lighting, color black, L42 Pro Max, combination of spotlight and wide angle, up to 500 meters. Not sure lang kung magiging very useful to sa mga maliit na but putting it on my head and doing some tinkering sa ating mga video, I think this will be helpful. Especially I'm planning to go back sa ating Gundam. As said, medyo marami tayong backlogs, and yun guys, kailangan na nating medyo tapusin yung iba because I have to declutter some boxes. So ito yung itsura nya. It's like a camera, but it's a lamp. Let's see kung gano'n siya kaliwanag. So yun, let me check. I'm going to turn off the light. Try natin padilimin itong room and let's see how bright it is. Yes, we tried to dim the place so may konting light na nag-escape, and of course using the phone medyo pang night. Pag medyo madilim, nag-a-adjust din yung phone, but let's see. I'm going to turn this on. So yan, ganyan siya kaliwanag, and let's see how to adjust this. So telescopic, so I think you can pull it. Medyo pull and push it. So ito guys, if you pull it, so medyo concentrated yung light and yun yung spotlight. So with this one, pushing this closer to the base, yan, medyo na siya, wide angle, so sobrang liwanag. So this is how you put up yung kanyang band, no? And this one, once it's in your head, you can parang point using this adjustment. So hindi siya clip, and iba-iba yung modes ng light niya, no? So when you press once, it will turn on, then press it again, nag-dim siya, then blinker, then turn it off. And since guys, we're going to put it on top of our head for a long time, so when we are working, so let's check yung kanyang weight. Overall weight niya is 105 grams. So medyo magaan din naman siya and very useful, very light. You can put it on your head. Yan, as said, I'm going to use it while doing some building blocks or yung mga yung mga plastic models. I'm going to rebuild yung mga natin, yung mga backlogs natin na Gundam and mga building blocks. So what's included in the box, guys, is just this lamp na parang camera. It can be charged by a USB Type-C and yung on-off button niya, and meron din siyang display to see kung ilang percent na lang yung battery niya. Other than that, wala nang so there's this clip, and may kasama rin siyang band, so you can place it sa head. And ito yung kanyang Type-C to USB Type-A charger. So isa pa lang napansin natin, guys, wala na siyang kasamang manual. So most instruction niya is this one. Can it be telescopically adjusted to do yung spotlight and yung wide angle, and that's it. This the headlight from Sinsight TD248. I'm not sure if that's a model kasi dito sa side na to meron siyang WCD69 black. So which one is the right one? It looks good din dito, and L42 Pro Max. So check out na lang. I'll try to put the link below kung saan ko siya nakuha sa Shopee. And yun, with that, guys, I would like to give a big shoutout sa ating mga member collectors na sina BF Angel Mendoza in Seoul, si Sampas Lupang Burgis, si Miss Ida Grace, and ang ating pinakabagong member na si Remy's TV Watkins. So yan, guys, please do support them and subscribe to their channel. And sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe dito sa ating channel, please do subscribe to Tower PH TV, where we talk about different types of collections and investment. And yun, from time to time we're doing builds and pinapakita natin yung ating mga games. So pag medyo wala tayong time mag-create ng videos, we'll just do upload yung ating mga games. And yun, don't forget to hit that notification bell para ma-notify kayo pag meron tayong mga bagong videos. Also, big shoutout sa ating mga friends na content creators, mukbangers, vloggers, gamers, action figure collectors, and trading card collectors. Yun, again, guys, so if you're interested, I'm going to share the link below, and hopefully you find this very useful din sa inyong day-to-day use, especially sa mga hobbyist. So with that, guys, again, thank you, and kita-kita ulit tayo sa ating pa mga susunod na videos. Again, this is Albert Remo from Tower PH TV.